Hello. My name is Brenda. I decided to record this quick video to take all your doubts about teeth whitening for you. I saw many information that does not match with the reality of teeth whitening for you, and for you not to spend your money atoa and regret. Stay with me until the end of the video. And I'll start with two important warnings. The first thing you need to know about teeth whitening for you is, the original teeth whitening for you is only sold on the official website of the producer. It is not sold on any website. And to help you, I left the official website here in the description of this video. You there, who are watching this video right now, you must be with low self-esteem, feeling ugly, not even able to look at the mirror and smile, because you are ashamed to show your yellowish and dull teeth. I know very well how you must be feeling. I have felt like this for years of my life, and this feeling is horrible. So, you must be asking yourself? Teeth whitening for you, does it really work? Is teeth whitening for you good? If I buy teeth whitening for you, will I get the bright white smile I always wanted? And the answer is yes. Teeth whitening for you is a 100% natural and healthy home solution, the only product in the world able to whiten your teeth, leaving your smile white and bright, without putting your health at risk. Manufactured here in the United States and certified by GMP, with 6 tried, tested, and totally natural treatments, increasing your confidence and self-esteem in a matter of days. A unique formula that has helped millions of people to have the smile they dream of. The official producer of teeth whitening for you trusts their product so much that they give you a 60-day guarantee. If you don't like it or for any other reason, they refund 100% of your money. Many people are having great results with teeth whitening for you, and you can have results too, just like I did, and that's how I went from yellow teeth to the whitest smile I've ever had. However, you need to keep in mind that every body reacts in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am saying this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. And my second warning for you is that for teeth whitening for you work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Teeth whitening for you is not a miracle. Teeth whitening for you is not a lie. It is a 100% natural supplement that you need to do the treatment right. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website, so I am leaving the official website in the video description, and if you buy the product from the original website, do the treatment right, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, because your body acts in a very unique way, and to get the results you so much crave, you need to do the right treatment.